Hey guys, welcome back. Today is, I don't know, September 17th or something. And we are at the Albany Pioneer Days in Albany, Minnesota. So we are headed inside the gates right now. And we're going to see what we can find. Of course, I've said it almost every weekend we've gone to shows this summer. If you want to get some rain in Minnesota, just make plans for the weekend. Well, it's been raining all night and most of the morning, so it's going to be muddy again, but we'll make it work. So let's get inside and see what we can find. I know Rudy's at the show here. He's got a booth set up inside a building, kind of a magneto repair shop, if you will. So we're going to get some pictures of that and visit with him for a while and go from there. One thing you got to know about Albany is they have a huge swap meet. It is huge. So if you're looking for some stuff, Albany is the place to go. Also, I got to give a big thanks to a random woman in line who gave me a voucher for free admission. So if she's seeing this, I really appreciate that. Let's keep moving.
when you fix them, you take them apart. people shy.
Well guys, that's going to do it for Albany, and we didn't spend too much time there. We stopped by and saw Rudy, walked through as much as we could. I didn't do anything in the swap meet because, to be quite honest, a swap meet's a swap meet, so and I knew better because I'd end up buying something I don't need right now. So anyways, that's really, I mean, Albany's a great show. It's a really nice show. It has a ton of prairie tractors, some pretty rare steam tractors, prairie tractors, and smaller, earlier model tractors like the GMC Samson. There's a lot of really rare stuff at Albany. If you haven't been, I highly recommend it. And they probably have one of the best swap meets as far as swap meets during the show type of swap meets goes. So I highly recommend going to Albany. But anyways, that's going to wrap up not only Albany, but also the show season for this year for me. That's it. So, yeah, great show, great year. And I got to give a big shout out to everybody that let me climb on their machinery and equipment and, you know, tolerated my cameras in their face and everything else. So it was a great year, guys. I'm really excited to get back to wrenching in the garage, and we'll see what the next video brings. It'll probably be more stuff on Hyatt's 38 case RC. So stay tuned for that, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.